So we ended up getting these massive logs up the mountain last night. This one is 19 inches. I can't even work on this one with the saw without doing some modifications to the log itself or getting a bigger saw. As you see, we got a little bit of overhang there. We're gonna have to cut a little bit off here. We went a little extra long just to be sure. We wanted to make sure that we have more than enough because I didn't have my tape measure with me. You see, we got these 4 last night. We're gonna get some milling happening here. So we gotta start cutting this off here, and then get rid of the widest end, and then we're gonna start milling this and make some boards, make some slabs. Whack it off, Mike. That's right. Whack it off.
Yeah, I'm using my dildo to whack off.
Ah, fuck. I need to rebuild my sled. Boards are warped, or if it's just the trailer. I think it's just the trailer.
Well, let me look. Let me see.
They didn't look warped.
This is twisted.
Twisted, yes, but it should be true.
Yeah, they're pretty true.
It's not like this.
I mean, they're not perfect, but
perfect.
they're
It
pretty.
doesn't have to be perfect.
They're pretty close. This one has a bit of a crown to it. Yeah, this one's got a crown.
It's going to be the trailer, right?
This one's got a crown.
They're both doing something.
Yeah, they're both doing similar, but this one has a crown. This one's pretty straight, but this one has a crown. Yeah, I would never say that this is a precision flat surface.
Yeah, so I'm just going to flush everything up then, and it is what it is.
Yeah.
It's definitely not a science. Much more of an art form.
A whole lot of hooping stuff. It's not, it just never is perfect. Yeah, so what you do here, can you help me put this on this side down? Right. So, if this piece down here is straight, you can do this, watch. You can take that, put a screw in the middle, and then eliminate this bend by twisting it. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Kind of, anyway.
You use the wood to straighten out the rest of the wood. Make sure that that's just the way you want it. Right where your screw is, just make sure that it's flush right there. And that'll be our pivot point. Because yes, it goes, we need to actually, yeah, put one. How is it for being flush in the middle? See the,
off of it.
your 2 by 12, whatever. It's also not very square. It has a twist. It has a twist where this top piece is over this way more. So if you wanted to say square these out, this has to be in like that.
Okay.
Something like that.
Should put one in.
Across the take those ladders into the fucking scrap, you should see if one of them will work for you. Maybe. Some of my ladders is warped, but some of the others is like, there's just no point to it. Hammer! Club! It says right here, 2 by 4 by 10.
So I can't do this now anyways.
We could extend those by taking those ones and screwing them to the size of these ones. Maybe they're a little bit wider. Is that acceptable?
I'm not sure. Yeah, possibly, I guess.
As long as it stays within your 17 inches and it looks like
fuck, you're smart, man.
You gotta put some screws in the middle too here right away.
This is a problem. Well, that just fucked everything up. Too much yet.
Yeah, no, just leave that there. Bangarang!
Now, how solid is that? Good. I don't know about this.
One on one side, one on Around, and then we start screwing until it's flush all the way across, as long as it's still within the use of your fucking
Guess we'll have to measure it.
Linearly, it's the best we got.
Now we just need some support under those bottom edges.
Yeah. Square corners.
Fuck, is that a good idea, man? God damn. But remember, they just want you to be a good slave. I want this and this square to this. Not even sure if that, yeah, see, this isn't even square. All three of these need to be squared up. Yeah, this will help. Actually getting the tool to...
Yeah, it's the factory edge. So I'm gonna blow your mind again right now.
So if this is square, now we can just go like this.
So, yeah, first you gotta measure those two distances apart. And if they're the same, then you measure from corner to corner. Okay, so we're gonna try to eliminate this here metal tab. We're gonna start at 2. And I'm gonna line it up right there, nice and corner. Alright, there. And then you've got to see on this one here to this plate or to this.
It's 19, but let me center this first.
And then you do the same thing on this side. You measure across this one.
So if we put these bolt holes right about centered on one foot, it'll be nice and easy.
Yeah, exactly. So then you just put there, check that one there.
Right there. Looks good to me.
Nope. No, they're just in place.
Why don't you just hold that saw up for a second?
Oh. Well, I think that they left a lot of room for improvement then.
I line that up with 5. I just want to see how close we actually are. It's actually pretty close. Yeah. Not.
Gotta go up.
Okay. Yeah, so these marks don't work.
Actually, this part is not showing.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, well this one here starts at fucking 18 and then it goes to 1. So the fucking idiot who cut the bar fucking fucked up cutting this fucking bar. Like literally 18, 1/2 inch, another inch up, there's no marking, and then there's fucking 1. The fucking line was supposed to be cut here, the guy instantly ordered himself.
Not one big long thing, right? And they just fucking cut pieces out of it.
Yeah.
Shift change.
Yep. Is it an 18 or is it a 13 actually? I can tell. Because this one here goes to 13. What is this one? 13.
Looks like we're pretty close, guys. Looks like we're very close. This is irrelevant because it's once you have it on an angle. That's how. Remember, I was asking you to hold this last year and shit.
Yeah.
Didn't know what I was doing, right? You don't need anybody to hold it. It's all about. And that looks so good. I think we're there.